and he contributed a lot. He also served as a provincial assembly, which is our parliament, and the provincial assembly standing committee, which is actually the one doing the technical work and the important work of the church. And he contributed to a resolution in our constitution, which is Article 13(6). It says, a bishop shall retire after serving for a period of 15 years upon attaining the age 65 years, or whichever comes first. So he was so keen on the things of retirement. Even in the church, I was there in the provincial assembly, and they debated. I was there, the bishop from Midiana, and he said, no, bishops shouldn't overstay. They should retire. So bishops, you enter the office at the age of 45, and they retire at 65. But no, it should be reduced. And actually, I suggested that no person should become a bishop until he attains 50. But I was there and I said no, because Uganda is a younger country. We have many younger people. If bishops enter office 50, 55, at the age when they need extra money for tablets, for pressure, for what? No, let us allow them to 45. And he said, no, now it should be reduced. Nobody should be in office beyond 15 years. So that one was passed. It's Article 13 in our constitution. So this man, I remember him, things to do with retirement, he was always there. And I think MPs, they remember him. Those who wanted extra years, they remember him. He could not allow that. And actually it was also at 10 a.m. I retired. So no sanity in the church. No conflict. I know when I'm retiring, and now after this, we are going to be in Rukunji. And I'll be handing over the pastoral staff to Bishop Eric Onesimus Asima. And I know when you retire, when somebody enters my office, ever a bishop, you became a bishop on this day, you retire on sergeant. So it's no. This man was so keen in this. I think he didn't, since he was the son of a clergy, he knew how tasking this office is. So he didn't want the clergy to overstep. This final remarks, Honorable Kahinda Otafiire.
Thank you, my Lord the Chief Justice, my Lord the Deputy Chief Justice, Right Honorable Prime Minister, my husband and wife, my Lord the Principal Judge, and I'm eternally grateful to him. Somebody made a remark about retirement. Retirement is relative. Because what you call retirement, I call an accomplishment. Jesus served for only 3 years and retired. He had accomplished his mission. There are people who go through life and exit without accomplishing anything. So, retirement is relative. For us, for some people are appointed to office. For us, we appointed ourselves to the service of mankind. So we shall retire when we stop serving mankind. I don't want to be mistaken, but my calling is service to the people. I went to the bush not aware that I would retire. I could have retired there. I am here. My biological passport, my biological.
We can laugh about it, but sin is killing this nation. Sin is killing offices. Sin is killing institutions. Let us submit to the Lord and surrender ourselves to the Lord this morning and allow the Lord to operate in our hearts. Confusion and corruption begins with us. When we do not surrender our lives to Jesus, we set a precedence for the death of this nation.
He will tell you exactly what he told everybody. And there are very few of those judges on our benches. When he was appointed Justice of the Court of Appeal, ironically, he done very well in the interviews, and I was Minister of Justice. But when the papers for recommendation to the President came, his name was missing. I remember I called the then Chairman of the Judicial Service Commission to say, where is Kenneth Kakuru's papers? Justice Obora told me, he said, Kakuru was our best candidate. How can his papers be missing? So I refused to send the papers to the President for assent until Kakuru's name was. That notwithstanding, he didn't give me any favors. Nor did he give favors to government, as we know. He was faithful and just to his job from day one to today. Ladies and gentlemen, let's learn our lessons from the late Kakuru. Let's learn that there is enough space for all of us to play our role while we are still on earth. Because to die is not to live in the minds of those who live behind. You are remembered for the good things you've done, not the ill will you've done to other people. Ensure people speak about the good things you did when you are passing. I hope my book will be, my name will be in the book of those who did good things when they were still alive. Maria, I'm very grateful. Somebody has read my epitaph when I'm still alive. Thank you for saying good things about me when I can hear them. You know, it's interesting, these fellows in the papers, you know, I'm one of the people who have read their epitaph. I read it on television. Somebody had said I had died in an accident and that day I was going to South Africa. Then they were writing about me on television. Then I laughed. I said, look at these groups. They were saying all the wrong things about me. Now that I'm dead, they are pretty. Please, say the good things about me when I'm still alive and tell me where I'm going wrong. Tell me where I'm going wrong, and if I don't perform, then ask me to retire. I thank you.
Never, ever come in the way of my work. Let me do my job. There are instances, people knew how close I was to him, where people came to give me a bribe to take to him. They came. But then I looked at them and I said, if I take this bribe, if I even open my mouth about it to Kakuru, I will be the first person to be arrested. And I stand here on behalf of our family, on behalf of his family, on behalf of Banyankore, of integrity, to stand
Kakuru, that he did not let you down. He did not let you down. Stand here as a family man at the Revival Museum of Ankole Diocese. I am in church. My children are here. So what I'm trying to say is that time and time, but I thought this was important at this forum to say it even when the Chief Justice is here and everyone. If you have put your girls in your wills and will them property, because then their husbands, when you have your property, even your husband does not just treat you like that. Because you also have a choice. You have a choice. You have a choice. I have my husband's property, and I also have my father's property. I have willed my children property and give people property when they are still alive. Yes. Kakuru gave my children property last Christmas. He called us and gave freehold property to my 4 children. So as I end, this is what it is. This is Kakuru's life, a life well lived, a life well